philosophers tend to be Platonists in some way, even when they criticise him. Nietzsche was the one who cracks the history of the world in two by critiquing Platonism specifically. He says, this is in the reasoning philosophy section of Twilight of the Idols. Again, note the scare quotes around reason, so-called reason, right? You ask me about the idiosyncrasies of a philosopher, it's their lack of historical sense, their hatred of being an idea of becoming, their Egyptianism. They think they're doing a thing in honour and they dehistoricise it. When they make a mummy, death, change, age, procreation, growth, are objections for them, refutations even. What is does not become. What becomes is not. Now, they all believe, even to the point of despair, in that which is, like the pure word of the idea that never changes, right? But since they cannot get hold of it, they must look for reasons why it's being withheld from them. It must be an illusion, they say, a deception which prevents us from perceiving that which is. Where is the deceiver to be found? We've got it, they cry in delight. It is in the senses which are so immoral as well as they connect to the body, right? It is they which deceive us about the real world. So if you read through Plato's dialogue, you see like denigrating the idea that you can get knowledge from the senses. Empiricism, rubbish. Abstract relation of ideas, maths, ascetic practice, that's where knowledge comes from, right? Stuff that never changes. It's not connected to this evil animal body that we've inherited, right? So Nietzsche sort of condemning this as being the psychologist of these philosophers in a way, right? What's their model? Denial of all that believe in the senses, of all the rest of mankind. All of them are the mere people, what would common sense know, right? Be a philosopher, be a mummy, represent monotheism by breathing